Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we are standing next to this 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner. Notice this boat's been equipped with a double bimini, providing shade from bow to stern, and also equipped here with the black and the white accents. Great color combination on the water. Stepping here towards the transom of the boat, been optioned with the Mercury 300 V8 engine. Let's step aboard the Harris 250 Sunliner and see what the topside has to offer. Hey guys, now that here we're on the top side of the 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner, notice how the front shades up here, plenty of shade for the whole family. Whether you're lounging up front or just entertaining for the afternoon, you got plenty of space to do it. Storage underneath each seat. Keep whatever you need for the day dry and out of the weather. Step here back towards midship. Optioned here with two captain's chairs, and then as you switch down, wireless phone charger here, our Simrad display, JL head unit, just a great area for the captain. Stand up, we'll go back here towards the transom of the boat. So this one's been optioned with the rear lounge set up. So forward seating, I want to change this, pick up, move this back, and now comfortable for 2 or 3 adults to lounge looking over the water. Also, one of my favorite features on the boat is the built-in cooler here. Drains overboard. Keep your drinks so you don't have to carry an extra cooler on the boat. Like I said before, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come see the 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner today. Have a good one.